everyone, and welcome to the episode of Fridge Adventures. Today we're looking at Galactic Arcade's own Peppola's fridge. Come on in. Now as we can see, Peppola is a brony. Now take of that what you will, I don't quite trust her. Now I'm about to open up the freezer. Kids, don't try this at home. Make sure you have an adult first. This can be very, very dangerous. Oh boy. There's a lot of meat in here. She appears to be a carnivore. Loves eating meat. And it appears hash browns as well. I'm gonna take one of these popsicles too. Now for the grand finale. The fridge. Oh boy. Alright, so we have beer and beer and beer and lime beer and beer and beer and orange beer.
Yeah. That's one of those beers.
Here ya.
Like it.
Upon closer inspection of the orange beer, it's incredibly old. 2009. It's 2013. This is bad. On the next episode of Fridge Adventures, we're opening up the...
What are you guys doing here? Is that my science experiment? Get the fuck out of here! Go! What the fuck are you guys doing?
Fail.